Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I keep shopping for more equipment for my new filming car studio, and I was looking for a while on this 3-shelf cart at the Harbor Freight. This weekend they discounted it $10 instead of $50, it's $40, so I bought it finally. So you can join me unboxing this and see what is inside and how it's packed. Alright. Question is how to get inside. I don't want to scratch it when it's brand new. So I brought another piece of paper. Oh yeah, that's really nice. This box is empty. Okay. Here are these wheels. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's obviously the handle. It will be on one side. Alright. Some kind of owner's manual again, probably how to put it together. These will be the sides, obviously, right? And I'm assuming in this box are all the screws. This one, it's a 3-shelf system. Alright. So, let's see, will it separate? Nice. One of these 3 shelves is the bottom. It's the one which has this extra steel on the bottom. I can see it's welded in the spots, 5 spots. But what I don't like, that the wheels, the casters, are not all the way on the side. They are kind of inside. And the way when you look at it at the store, it looks like this thing will be easy to tip. I would like to move those casters all the way out so it's more stable. Even looking from the other side, it's pretty obvious that there was a chance to put the screws closer to the edge. So I will definitely modify that for myself. It's the bag with the screws and nuts. You can see there's a lot of them involved in putting this car together. Besides that, there seems to be really easy way to put it all together. Nicely shown here in this manual. The whole assembly regarding manual starts with installing these 4 corners. And so far I'm leaving all the bolts loose. I'm not tightening the nuts all the way, in the case it will need any adjustments when I will. And after having all 4 corners ready, I'm supposed to continue with that middle tray. I've placed the car on the side to make it easier for myself, and I continue with installing that middle tray. And as I said before, it's really good idea to leave everything loose so all these openings and the holes can match easily, and I have 2 trays together. Let's go and attach the last one, the top one. And the next step will be attaching this handle. And this is the other side, so hopefully it will fit there. And I will say this will be the first time when it's together like this to check if everything is square and actually start tightening all those bolts all around. And now is the question what to do with those wheels, right? Install them the way they design it, which is right here. I still feel it's like too much of inside, or use the whole area and put it nicely on the edges. That will gain like a 1 inch or each side, and it will be more stable in my opinion. Also, if you look with me, they put an extra piece of steel here, right? But I don't feel that this bottom of this card is really strong and stable. I was going to put a piece of steel this way, right? But these things are in my way. So maybe I have to go this way, all the way around to make it stronger. I'm not sure if it's even worth that extra work. Let me show you detail of that relocation of that wheel. Right, you see still that original holes, but I moved it towards to the edge of the card to increase the stability of the card. I've got both fixed wheels nicely installed, so now I need to go on the other side and put these two swivel ones. And ladies and gentlemen, the moment you all have been waiting for patiently. Here you go. Look at it. Look at that. 3-tray service card. Right in front of you. It all happened. It's all reality. What do you say? This is what you can get today for $40 from Harbor Freight Tools. So my friend, thank you for watching, and make absolutely sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way on this Toyota Maintenance channel. See ya!